Want to pass your DMV driving test? Learn these 40 essential road signs you need to know to pass with flying colors. Guess this road sign. A. Roundabout. B. Roundabout circulation. Plaque. The answer is A. Roundabout. Identify this traffic sign. A. Narrow two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic. The answer is B. Two-way traffic. What is this road sign? A. Railroad crossing ahead. B. Railroad crossing crossbuck. The answer is A. Railroad crossing ahead. Spot this traffic sign. A. School speed limit ahead. B. Speed limit ahead. The answer is B. Speed limit ahead. Name this road sign. A. Yield sign ahead. B. Stop sign ahead. The answer is B. Stop sign ahead. Identify this traffic sign. A. Standard traffic light. B. Traffic light ahead. The answer is B. Traffic light ahead. Which road sign is this? A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Winding road. The answer is A. Slippery when wet ahead. Guess this traffic sign. A. Yield sign. B. Yield sign ahead. The answer is B. Yield sign ahead. Identify this road sign. A. Divided highway begins. B. Divided highway ends. The answer is A. Divided highway begins. What is this traffic sign? A. Truck route sign. B. Steep grade hill. The answer is B. Steep grade hill. Spot this road sign. A. Bicycles merging. B. Bicycle route. The answer is A. Bicycles merging. Identify this traffic sign. A. Soft verges. B. Right shoulder drop off ahead. The answer is B. Right shoulder drop off ahead. Which traffic sign is this? A. T intersection. B. Side road, left. The answer is A. T intersection. Guess this road sign. A. Bike hill. B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. The answer is B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. Identify this road sign. A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. The answer is A. Divided highway ends. What is this road sign? A. Narrow underpass. B. Narrow bridge. The answer is A. Narrow underpass. Guess this traffic sign. A. Y intersection. B. Side road at an acute angle right. The answer is A. Y intersection. Identify this traffic sign. A. Double side roads, right. B. Side road left. The answer is B. Side road left. Which traffic sign is this? A. Added right lane. B. Added left lane. The answer is A. Added right lane. Spot this road sign. A. Reverse turn, right. B. Offset side roads, left and right. The answer is B. Offset side roads, left and right. Identify this traffic sign. A. Hill bike. B. Motorcycle, plaque. The answer is B. Motorcycle, plaque. Guess this road sign. A. Lane ends merge, right. B. Lane ends merge, left. The answer is B. Lane ends merge, left. What is this traffic sign? A. Narrow two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic. The answer is A. Narrow two-way traffic. Identify this road sign. A. Side road at an obtuse angle, right. B. Side road at an acute angle, right. The answer is B. Side road at an acute angle, right. Guess this traffic sign. A. Interior lane, shift, right. B. Reverse curve, right. The answer is A. Interior lane, shift, right. Which road sign is this? A. Bike route. B. Bicycle lane ends. The answer is B. Bicycle lane ends. Identify this traffic sign. A. Single lane transition. B. Road narrows. The answer is A. Single lane transition. Spot this road sign. A. Lane ends merge, right. B. Lane ends merge, left. The answer is A. Lane ends merge, right. Guess this traffic sign. A. Added right lane. B. Added left lane. The answer is B. Added left lane. Identify this road sign. A. Side road at an acute angle, right. B. Side road at an obtuse angle, right. The answer is B. Side road at an obtuse angle, right. What is this traffic sign? A. Traffic merging from right. B. Added right lane. The answer is A. Traffic merging from right. Identify this road sign. A. Chevron right. B. Chevron left. The answer is B. Chevron left. Guess this traffic sign. A. Hill bike. B. Bicycle slippery when wet ahead. The answer is A. Hill bike. Spot this road sign. A. Offset side roads, left and right. B. Double side roads, right. The answer is B. Double side roads, right. Identify this traffic sign. A. Two-way traffic, 3 lanes, 2 opposite. B. Two-way traffic. The answer is A. Two-way traffic, 3 lanes, 2 opposite. Guess this road sign. A. Do not pass stopped trains. B. Do not drive on tracks. The answer is B. Do not drive on tracks. Which traffic sign is this? A. Curve right. B. Right turn only. The answer is A. Curve right. Identify this road sign. A. Reverse turn right. B. Reverse curve right. The answer is B. Reverse curve right. Guess this traffic sign. A. Hairpin curve right. B. 270-degree loop curve right. The answer is A. Hairpin curve right. What is this road sign? A. Two-way traffic, 3 lanes, 2 opposite. B. Two-way traffic, 3 lanes, 1 opposite. The answer is B. Two-way traffic, 3 lanes. Thanks for watching. If this road signs quiz is helping you feel more prepared for your driving test, hit subscribe for weekly practice and tips. Tap one of the videos on your screen to keep learning. Stay sharp, drive safe, and see you in the next one.